Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're your shortcut to getting genuinely well-informed, breaking down complex stuff so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a specific bit of the IELTS reading exam, the International English Language Testing System, that is. We're focusing on table completion. It's one of those tasks that, well, it can be pretty tricky. It really makes you focus on the details.
That's absolutely right. And what's, really key here is how it tests reading comprehension in a very particular way. It's not just about getting the gist. It's about pulling out exact details, even when the wording is quite different in the text. So our mission really is to show you how to handle this precise information hunt without getting, bogged down.
Okay, right, let's unpack that. So table completion. You get a table, it's got gaps, blanks, and you fill them using words straight from the reading passage. And usually there's that constraint, isn't there? Like no more than one word or maybe no more than two words. Sounds simple, filling in blanks. But where do people usually trip up? What's the tricky part?
Yeah, the core challenge, and this is where it gets tough, is that the table information matches the text info, but the text itself, it's almost always paraphrased. It'll use synonyms, different sentence structures, but the answer you write down has to be the exact words from the text, no changes. And that forces you to think about parts of speech, too. Like if the table needs a noun, but the text uses an adjective to give the info, you've got to keep searching for that specific noun in the passage. And critically, the final answer has to make the sentence in the table grammatically correct. So many points lost there.
Okay, so people find the right idea maybe, but grab a word that just doesn't fit the grammar of the table sentence.
Exactly. They pick, say, the verb form when they need the noun.
Right, so it's like a mini grammar test hiding inside a reading task. Okay, but the good news is there's a system, right? A procedure to follow. Let's walk through that roadmap. I think we've got, 6 steps. First step, and I know this sounds basic, but read the instructions carefully, especially that word limit. No more than one, no more than two. It seems obvious, but skipping it is like forgetting to check the expiry date, bad results potentially. Then look closely at the table itself. The headings, any words already filled in, these give you massive clues about what kind of information you're hunting for. Noun, verb, place, name.
That groundwork is essential. So once you've done that, the next part is actually tackling the text. How do you find the answers efficiently? Well, you don't want to read the whole thing word for word at first. Scan it. Read the topic sentences, the first sentence of paragraphs that look relevant based on the table headings. That helps you zoom in on the right section. Then you go back to the table, maybe underline or circle the keywords for each blank, and then back to the text again, scanning just for those keywords, or crucially, their synonyms or paraphrased versions. It's a bit like a scavenger hunt, isn't it? Looking for that one specific word hidden in different phrasing. Focusing on the words directly around those keywords in the text, often the nouns or verbs, that really helps pinpoint the exact answer needed.
That makes a lot of sense, like zeroing in. Could you maybe give us a quick example? Let's say the table asks for type of transport, and the text somewhere mentions innovative electric vehicles. How does that play out?
Great example. Okay, so the table wants type of transport. The text says innovative electric vehicles. Your keywords from the text are probably vehicles. The table asks for the type. So you wouldn't write innovative or electric. You'd likely write vehicles if the word count allows, or maybe electric vehicles if it's 2 words. You have to grab the precise word or phrase that fits the table's category and grammar exactly as it appears in the text.
Got it. So pull the specific noun or noun phrase. Okay, so you've scanned, you think you found the spot in the text. Finding the actual answer then means reading that sentence, or maybe the one before and after, carefully.
Precisely. Read around the highlighted keyword or synonym you found.
And then the final checks. You write your answer in the blank. You absolutely have to check the spelling is correct, copied exactly, and then read the whole table sentence with your word in it. Does it make sense? Is it grammatically sound? That's the final gate.
That grammatical check is vital. It confirms you've likely got the right part of speech, too.
Right. So, wrapping this deep dive up, what's the big picture for mastering table completion? It really seems to boil down to precision, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And smart scanning. Plus, understanding that weird dance between paraphrased text and needing exact answers.
Exactly. It's a very specific skill. And it makes you wonder, actually. This raises an interesting question, perhaps. How might practicing this skill, pulling exact words from complex, maybe rephrased information, how might that discipline help you more broadly? In spotting precise facts and avoiding misinterpretations in any information you come across, not just in an exam.
That's a really thought-provoking point. Building a skill for life, maybe?
Excellent. Well, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into IELTS table completion. We'll see you next time.